Hey guys, it's your boy Unstoppable Vids back here with another video, and today we are gonna be doing some cool stuff today. I just wanted to tell you guys. So later we are gonna go swimming, which is gonna be pretty cool. Swimming is pretty cool, so we're gonna go swimming really soon, but this afternoon. But I'm not gonna vlog it because I don't know why, because I forgot my GoPro out. I did not know we were going swimming, so that was a problem. But anyways, you guys, we're back on the farm. We're back on the farm, guys. Back on the farm, and if you probably saw my last farm videos, and you guys absolutely nailed cherry harvest. It got over it's like, since I started, it got over like 11 views. So I was impressed. I was literally impressed. But if you are new to the channel, go click the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and like the video. And that really helps us out, because that's the way. So anyways, you guys, I'm just coming to go show you guys around more, because I did not show you that much on cherry harvest. So yeah, so here's the mini this is like a diesel tank for smudge pots, and I'll show you guys in a little bit. John Deere boat, collectible, and dangerous particles. Anyways, I'm gonna go walk. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go walk up here. There's beehives up there, and the smudge pots, if you could see, they're like, let me zoom in. They're right over there. They're just, okay, sorry the camera's shaking. Let me just hold it with my left hand. Sorry, it's shaky. Okay, so that is pretty cool. So anyways, here's the mowers. Mowers are pretty cool. Really cool. So, oh yeah, and also the spray shed, which is right there. I don't want to show you the other half because I don't want to show you personal information. There's just personal information on there. I don't want to show you. And oh yeah, if you see those white boxes over there, I'm gonna see if I can go over here. See those white boxes down there? Those are beehives. Beehives. Pretty cool. Hey, mini fork. And here's the McCormick. And here my Luna. You're gonna be on YouTube, alright? I just want to show you guys around, like, because I just wanted to do a part 2 on this, because you guys hated it on cherry harvest. You guys hated it. Like, I had no choice but to make another video. It was pretty cool. So obviously you guys want to see more. So yeah. So Luna. Okay. That's gonna wrap it up for today's vlog. I just wanted to thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up, turn on post notifications, and hit that like button. So yeah, guys. So okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you then. Peace out.